Hello, everyone. Welcome to our term project for object-oriented programming space war game. My name is Kofi Jan.
And my name is Jan Puejo. So I'm going to present the Space War game to you. So the summary is the Space Game War has a shooter, a small UFO, and a big UFO. The user presses start button to start the game. The shooter and the small UFO shoot at each other. If the shooter kills five small UFOs, the big UFO appears. If the shooter kills the big UFO, he wins the game. If the shooter loses all of his health from shots, he loses the game. So the first user story, as a gamer, I want to press the start button so that I can begin playing the game. As a gamer, I want to move around so that I can avoid the UFO missiles. As a gamer, I want to press the mouse so that I can shoot a missile. As a gamer, I want to shoot the small UFO and the big UFO with the missiles so that I can reduce the lives. As a gamer, I want to lose 1/8 of my health when I am hit by a small UFO missile so that I can get weaker. As a gamer, I want to lose 1/4 of my health when I am hit by a big UFO missile so that I can get weaker. As a big UFO, I want to appear after five small UFOs have been shot down so that I can shoot the gamer.
Okay, so uh, moving on. As a big UFO, I want to be able to shoot two missiles at a time so that I can kill a gamer quicker. As a big UFO, I want to die after the gamer missile hits me 5 times so that I disappear from the scene. As a small UFO, I want to appear on the scene when the game starts so that I can shoot the gamer. As a small UFO, I want to fly horizontally back and forth so that the gamer cannot shoot me easily. As a small UFO, I want to shoot gamer one missile at a time so that I can kill the gamer. As a small UFO, I want to die after the gamer missile hits me so that I can disappear from the scene. As a gamer missile, I want to explode myself so that I can kill enemies within the explosion boundary. As a UFO missile, I want to travel from the big UFO from the big UFO and small UFO position to the gamer location so that I can kill the gamer. As a UFO missile, I want to explode myself when I reach the gamer initial position so that the gamer gets hit. Thank you, and that
Thank you.
concludes our presentation.